Today we're going to be making slime, and my name's Maisie and my channel's called Crazy Maisie, easy to remember, and we're going to be making a purple slime. So we begin just, untwisting the cap. It might be a little bit hard to get all the slime out, but it will eventually work. Okay? Just gonna keep, putting all that slime in, all of it. Just, keep putting the slime in. The bottle's making really weird noises. Okay, we're just gonna, I've got a tiny bit more in there, we could add that. Okay, so maybe, I'm gonna, go tap, 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 and now I've put loads of glue in there. Well, I think that's enough. So, this is how much we've got in the bowl. It probably looks blue to you, but it's actually purple. So, now we're going to get this bottle of activator, open it, and pour it all in. Okay, so it probably just looks like a swamp now to you, but now we're going to just, mix it. Just keep mixing it until, it looks like a tiny bit chunky. Let's just add a bit more glue because there's a tiny bit more. I don't know why it seems blue, but it's actually purple. Okay, I think that's all of it gone. Just gonna have, a sip of my drink.
Oh my god, that colour looks amazing.
It's actually blue on the camera though.
No way.
It's dark blue, look.
Yeah, look. That is crazy.
Just keep mixing it. Just got a bit of slime on me. Or maybe activator. There's a little bit of blue slime on there. I'm going to add it in. Make it a bit blue, My favourite colour is blue. And it looks blue on the camera, but it's actually purple. Very weird.
Be careful. You're getting it all over the computer.
Oh no. Maybe we should move it back. Now I need to, whisk up the computer.
Stir it so vigorously.
Okay, this is how it's looking. Just gonna, finger drop it. I think we could do, a tiny bit more mixing. Probably because you can't hear my little sister in this video, because she isn't in her high chair. She's gonna go for a nap. Okay, so let's keep mixing it. Okay, I think it's ready to put our hands in it now. Gloopy, isn't it? Look at the gloop. And put that back in now. Good, I've got a little feel of it. Now mix it a bit. Stop. Now, what I'm going to do is just put this over there, so over the computer. so I don't get any slime on it. This is how it's looking. Not that good. I'm just going to start mixing it. So it does look good. This is how it's looking. Looking very gloopy. Gloop. Come on, some in there. Come on, come down. It's coming, it's coming. Gloop, gloop, it's coming, it's coming. Yes, I got some glue in it. So now we're gonna have to mix it again to get that glue inside. Looking better now. Now I'm going to mix it. Does it look like a change? Still looks blue. Well, you're going to just have to remember it. It's blue slime. Because it's actually purple to me. But to you, it's blue. Well, when we send this video, it might actually look like purple slime. Maybe it's hurt. I think this might, hurt my finger. Because I've got a cut on it. And 2 of my fingers. And each hand, I've got a cut. Okay, this is how this looks. I'm going to try to add every little bit to it this time. Even the tiny bit of blue I put in it. Just keep mixing it. Does it start to look a tiny bit purple to you? Looks a tiny bit. It looks shimmery, doesn't it? It looks blue and purple to you. Or is that just my eyes? Oh, it's starting to get good. It's starting to get really good at slime. It's starting to get good. And sticky. Oh, look at it. This is starting to get amazing. It's starting to get good. What was that? Oh, it was probably just my slime. This slime makes a lot of noises. It's like putty because, putty makes noises. I think this is what, a putty means. Because when you, put your finger in it, it makes a noise. And this is making a noise when you put your finger in it. So this is, like putty. If you don't know what putty is a tiny bit like slime, but it crunches and makes fart, fart noises when you put your finger in it. So this reminds me of putty. You weird. Okay, do you want to have a look at the slime I just made? It's right here. We're going to have a little feel of that. See how it feels. This is the slime I just made. Looks cool, doesn't it? Do you think we should mix these 2 slimes together? No, that's rather not. Then there's different colours. Okay, that one has a tiny bit more to do. This one, I'm going to put back in its container, which is right here. Okay, we're going to put it one side so we can put the purple slime that looks like blue in that side. How do we close this thing? Just do it like that. This thing is really hard to close. Wait, I think I've got it. Oh yes, I've got it! Yay! I'm gonna have a little submerged drink. This is the world. I'm going to put my blackcurrant to the side. Give a fun splash if you like blackcurrant. Right there, there's it. Like it's. I need to work on that bit because it's a bit slimy on that bit. Even though we're making slime and it's slimy. This slime is turning out really good. I think I actually got more out of this bottle than my mum got out of that bottle. Is it starting to look a lot purple to you, or is it still looking blue? It kind of looks a tiny bit blue to me. Weird. Okay. I don't want to eat slime. Bleh, bleh, bleh. Okay, the slime's done. Okay. Now we're going to open the container again. Both of these slimes. Try to make this one, into a ball. Put it to that side. Then try to make this one into a ball. And put it to the other side. This is going to mix together. But it doesn't matter if it mixes together. We've got one big slime. Can you see it? Of course it. It's like a blue over that side and a purple over. Is it starting to look a tiny bit more purple to you? Okay, now let's close the container. Quite easy this time. So now it's time to say goodbye. Okay, bye guys.